The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning! Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome to Friday. We're ready for a great day. Hope everyone had a great night. Yes, coming down here. Give me one quick minute here. Sorry about that, guys. Ready and rock and roll. Taking a look at the overnight. Doesn't look like we've been doing much. Looks kind of stagnant. Trying to find the high. I think the high was there. No, the high was there. Yeah, just recently hit the high. Boom, 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 boom. 40.70 is the high. Looks like the low. 40.57. So not a big range. Only about 13 points. Very stagnant. Copper. Only about 80 ticks. Gold. Been moving very well lately. 16 points. I forgot to say hello to everyone. Hello, Imad, Omar, Matt. Ultra Bond about 1.5 downward. Crude oil upward up to the 82s, about 1.5. And natural gas continues to fall about 140 ticks of range. Bitcoin dipping under 23. We're ready to rock and rumble. So he's had this nice move down. And by nice, I mean it kind of came down from the high. We just had that high of the high of the day, morning, night, whatever you want to call it. Right there, 40.70 quarter down to 63. So it was a nice drop. That would have been my entry there, and I would have just barely gotten the 2. But I would have gotten 2. So now we wait for our next. How's everybody doing today? You all happy it's Friday? Oops, I need to reset the P&L. That was yesterday's P&L up there. Nice $300 day yesterday, 3 for 3. Hope we can rock and rumble. Reminder, if you're expecting to enjoy today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. Only 2 people have hit it so far. One of them is me. Thank you, Omar. I appreciate it. That means even my loyal and faithful moderator, Matt LaRocco, hasn't hit that like button. I'm just joking around, obviously. I mean, yeah, I appreciate the like button hits, but so we're coming down. Falling, falling, falling. Let me start my beats here. And let's go check to see what news we have today. Today we have US PCE price index, US consumer spending month over month, US personal income, So on and so forth. Oh, that's at 8:30. So a little less than an hour from now. And then at 10 o'clock, University of Michigan Sentiment Final. U.S. pending home sales. So another day that we're chock full of yummy news. Yeah, we're coming down. This has been a nice little move here to grab. Then it wasn't confident in it. Welcome everybody. Glad to see you. Everybody's working toward the weekend. Patience is a virtue, and we are going to be patient and find our good setups. This one would have been good right here. So let's mark them off here if this would have been good. Oh, no, it earned purple, not blue. There we go. You can see this would have been a good setup right here. Boom, boom, boom. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, I've been really researching this strategy, marking off every one. As you can see back here, if we turn back time, it was all of yesterday's. Each purple representing a good setup, each blue one that wouldn't have worked. They're not all going to work. Not a lot of blues yesterday. But I'm noticing that the ones that work don't take a lot of heat. They just go. So I may be able to. I'm trying to research if I can reduce stop losses at all, but I don't want it to get too tight. I mean, it was like one. There was yesterday. I would have lost if I would have tightened the stop loss. There was one that wouldn't have worked. That worked with the decent size, the normal stop loss. So I'm gonna be doing some research on that this weekend. Yeah, folks. See, I sadly spend most of my weekends with my nose in charts, trying to find the edge that I seem to finally maybe be finding. Yeah, volume is up both here and on NQ. NQ still above 12,000. Oops, forgot to take my supplements with breakfast. Give me a second. Well, give me 2 seconds here while I find said supplements. Put them on the bottle last night, and oh, there it is. 22 people here already. Gonna be a good day. Okay, now the supplements are down my gullet. So, we're sitting here at 40.62. Good morning, Busy. Busy, busy, busy. Welcome. Hope you're having a great day. Omar, make sure if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Either I or one of the very knowledgeable traders in here would be happy to help. That's why this channel mainly exists, to help new people and have a support system, camaraderie. Morning, John. Hope you're having a good day. And trying to continue to push down here. I said our low is something. Let's see here. Our low, I think this might be our low here. 57.5. I mean, yeah, it's our low. Still, only about a 13-point range overnight. Might be trying to push below the low. Push below the low. There it goes. 40 down to 40.60. Just being patient. It's not going to give me any setups down here. Good morning, JC. How is it going? I'm doing all right. Still waking up, ready to take on the day. So waiting as we wait. Anything else? Doing anything fun? Copper. Copper on a 1 minute chart. It's kind of iffy. No, just this is a newer account. I only bought this one on Monday, right before the sale ended. So I'm not gonna try and go for broke on it. I'm gonna, you know, even pace. Yesterday I did 300. If I could do 300 for 10 days, that'd be great. Good morning, Glitch. Ultra Bond. Dow. What's your about market's been riding up here? Yeah, 50K, Matt. Hi, Zor. Haven't seen you around in a while. Good morning. Long ES. Yep, looking like it might bounce here nicely. Let's see. Got down to 40.60 half. Up to 40.6275. The only other account I have right now is my funded earn to trade that I can't. I don't know what I want to do with because it's like $200 away from drawdown. I'll stay about trying in a YM. Yeah, the problem with micros, though, I mean, maybe if I could figure out micro NQ, the rest of the micros, if I take one micro for 2 points on ES, just my strategy with the big one, that's only $10, and then you lose like 17% of that or 15% of that to commissions. Seems like a long process. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm gonna probably do my charting on some charting on it NQ or MNQ, I should say, this weekend. Now that I'm like getting this strategy figured out, the you know I could probably chart it out. I just got to figure out the proper stop loss and profit target. Ooh, big move back down. And by big, I mean like 7 ticks. Theoretically, a trigger candle there, but a trigger candle that engulfs the last 3 or 4 candles tends to bounce instead of continue. So we'll see if it proves me wrong. It might try to prove me wrong here. Down 3 ticks. We'll mark it. Market to buy, Venus. We're about 7 minutes from the top of the hour. Apologize for the yawn. It's been a long week. Not really. By Friday, I'm tired. Saturdays and Sundays are my sleep-in days, so I get caught up. Usually only sleep about 5 hours a night during the week. I'm gonna try to improve that. Ah, crap. Sorry about that. I just knocked something off my desk. Ugh. I swear. Aren't we supposed to be a wireless society by now? All these different cords cause me so many issues. So got down to 40.59 quarter as I try to fix my desk. There we go. All I want to do is plug a phone in, and I make a mess all over. Looks like we're trying to bounce just a tad. Just a tad. Okay. There we go. I'm back whole again. There we go. Looks like I was right, at least so far, about not taking that. See, we'll see, we'll see. Did get close to 2. Actually, I mark it for 2 and a quarter to account for slippage. Yes, chart is ready to go if it ever gets there to go. Anybody have any fun weekend plans? Again, up to the EMA and trying to bounce city belts. We're squeezing a bit. Oh, awesome, Matt. So watching another bounce down. Let's see if it wants to come down again. Or now, or whatever I want to say. Top of the hour, 1 minute. Remember, we have news again in 30 minutes. 31, really. Morning, John. That's a good morning. Okay, interesting, Matt. I'll check that out. Thank you. Yeah, I need to play with that. I've been meaning to. This is still, came up to the EMA and back down. Seems like it's struggling to get through this area here. Top of the hour. So far, we're missing our 2 Gs, G-Man and Mr. G. Hanging right here at 40.61. Up, pushing, pushing. Can it get down? Can it get down tonight? 40.59. Nope. Shied away from it again. Got down to 40.59. Let's see. Let's see. Continue to see if it wants to pop down here. It seems a little bit shy. I hate seeing these inhibitions on price action. Good morning, Dakota. How are things? How's your trading been going? I haven't seen you typing much in the chat anymore. How's it all been going? No, it did pop back up and back above the EMA. Looks like we might want to head on up. We'll see. This would not have worked, or at least it doesn't look like it. It hasn't hit that 2-point stop. We've been in this tight range now for quite a while, actually. Since back here, since when it came down. There's the top of the range, bottom of the range. It's about a 4-point range. Our home on the range. Home, sweet home. Oh, right back down. So, man, maybe. Well, there's a balance there, Dakota. I don't think you're self-absorbed at all. I mean, I like hearing about your winners. I know everybody. I mean, we support each other and like hearing about winners. You know, He- seeing you. I mean, you never talk money. You only talk ticks and points. And someone seeing someone making winners can help give hope as well. That said, do whatever you're comfortable with. Obviously, I'm trying to not trying to whatever it is I'm trying to say. Tell you what you should or shouldn't do. Just do what makes you feel most comfortable. We're all about comfort here at MightyOxTrading. So this down, up, down, up move. I kind of like that for up, but I never thought of you that way at all, Dakota. Not at all. We are very, very stagnant. So yesterday was a great morning, early morning. Things were moving. Today, not so much. But we do have news catalysts coming up in about 21 minutes. Ultra bond market opens in about 11 minutes. Hello, GED. How are you doing today? Yeah, I was a little bit confused, but I got you now. Thank you, Matt. Oh, Burrow. Okay, Burrow. First of all, everyone should do what they're comfortable with. I don't mind money. I don't mind points and ticks. You know, there's nothing wrong with the discussion of EVA. Sounds good, GED? Yes, it is. Way too early. Oops. Oh. Hey, chef. Morning. We're still stuck in this range. Battleground in 6E. Need to roll in the tanks. So I think we can all grab a quick 15-minute nap while we wait for the news, because we're obviously not going anywhere here. As as I say that, it pops up 5 ticks. So that would not have worked. This trigger here, just and like I said, I don't like big triggers. But we're still stuck in this range. Pull one down. So here's another interesting thing. For those of you that were here on Monday during the drama of that group of people that ended up getting partially banned and just left and all that, and we saw the, like 27 people unsubscribe. It has not hurt. I'm getting the same numbers, just about, little same number of views. The watch hours have been even a little higher this week. I get between 100 to 120 watch hours a day for the streams. And we've recovered by 18 of those subs already, back up to 1233 after dropping down to like 1218. So that whole group of disruptive people don't matter. Hello, I'm a buy low and sell high. Who's scammers? You must be more specific. Oh, okay. They were just immature. So I said when I saw this up, down, up move, I felt like we were heading up, and we were. We could have actually gotten 2 points out of that. It was against my plan though, and we've been choppy here, so I didn't take it, which is fine. But we'll wait, and we'll wait, and we'll wait. 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes to that gaggle of news. PCE, price index, and U.S. consumer spending coming up at 8:30. Yeah, it's a good idea not to push it, Chef. I mean, it, I've only been trading it for 2 days. First day I took a $150 loss. Yesterday I got a $300 win, so I'm up 150 on it. But yesterday was 3 for 3, so now again, this is another trigger candle that I'm not taking. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So this kind of continues to be stagnant. Stagnation. You kind of rubbed that 100 EMA. Bounced down off of it. And I'm guessing we'll see some opportunities after PCE. Yeah, you know me. Are we down with PCE? Oh yeah, Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's not looking. Wow, like barely anything on move. Barely any movement on the Ultra Bond open. Wow. Apparently, Ultra Bond's alarm clock did not go off. No, UB opens at 20 after 8, Chef. Morning, Avi. Nope, 8:20. How you doing, Avi? Yep, that's what's happening. Everyone's waiting on the news. Extra, extra. Read all about it. Fun, fun, Avi. I hope the research paper is going well, and I hope the trading stuff adds to your wins. Reminder everybody, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It's always appreciated. Oh, that's not good, Avi. Not good at all. Avi, you're going to make enough money in trading to buy that university. We seriously could have taken that 15-minute nap. The market's done nothing. Hey, Borneo. It's kind of choppy right now, Borneo, but I mean, we were, I don't know. Not sure if we would call this a trend at all. We did a nice move up. Pulled back though. We're still in a tight. We only had a 13-point range. Well, at least for my style of trading, like that's those type of things don't, really affect me. I'm just playing what I see. I'm not trying to really guess which way the market's going to go over a period of time. This ended up going down, so this would have actually been a good trigger candle. I didn't trust it, but it worked. Boom. Oops, it earned its purple. So we are 30 seconds till news. Fifteen seconds till news. Whoa! News is here. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Popped up 6 points right before the news, whipped back down to 40.58, back up to 40.68. 10-point range on this candle alone. And we're still back right where we started, basically. That was interesting. Let's go see what the numbers are. PCE price index year over year 5%, which is exactly what they expected. U.S. consumer spending month over month negative 0.2, missed a little bit. They expected negative 0.1. Personal income was right on target. Personal consumption missed target. PCE month over month was 0.1% higher than they expected. So that was fun. And we're right back to where we were. We started at 40.60 on that candle right before news, and now we're just back to 40.62. Those whipping candles were interesting. You can see if we throw in the Bollingers here. Nailed through the third, or the fourth or fifth standard deviation of the Bollingers. So now we gotta wait for it to settle down. Ultra Bond woke up there. Quick burst up by 9. Like it's trying to stay to the upside here. Maybe not. It keeps wicking down. You see the big top wicks. That's big bottom wicks too. So indecisive battle between the bulls and the bears. CL. Ooh yeah, CL burst up there. About 15 ticks after a 7-tick candle. Yeah, probably right, Chef. Back up into the bands. It seems that, upping up. Ugh, yeah, easy for me to say. Up seems to be the direction it wants to go, but up, down, up. And it's rising up toward the high of session, which is 40.70. Morning, RJ. So now we wait. Now, technically, so this was the before the news candle. This is the news candle. This was this. Here was the a trigger candle, and it would have worked. I gotta get better at recognizing that after opens and news events, instead of sitting here with a deer in the headlights look, which thankfully none of you can see. No trades yet this morning. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Also looking for opportunities that haven't been there yet. Although if I had taken the three trigger candles that have been offered to me since I started streaming, I would have 2 wins and 1 loss. Sitting here at 40.65 as it pulls down. And back up. Bullish engulfing here. Really engulfing. Now we're starting to see some quicker movements. Let's see, before the news, our ATR was 131. Now it's 252. Almost doubled. Is that on? 26. Boom. Nice. Nice move up. Shooting for 02, I believe, if my math is right. No guarantees that my math is right. I make no reservations. So now we're watching Dakota's trade, seeing if he gets to his target. This is Ultra Bond. Nice bounding up on the Ultra Bond here. Boom, boom. And he's one tech. There it is. There it is. Dakota gets his target. Yep. Excellent job. About 47 minutes away from the bell. Again, still no trades. Watching. I was just about to say Ace should be here soon, and there's Ace. Good morning, Ace. How are you today? Uh, no. There she blows. Yep. Boom up on Ultra Bond. Kind of, yes, kind of stagnant. Stagnation. We're just consolidating at a higher level now. Touches the EMA. Yep, right now ES is just kind of, it was sleeping most of the morning, woke up for the news, then decided to go back to bed. ES wants a 3-day weekend here. So we'll wait for it. It was good you did not take that down signal as we seeing a green candle here. It's not easy being green. I was joking. Ace, not a 3-day weekend. I meant like ES is doing nothing. It wants a 3-day weekend. I have volume on ES. I have the volume right here, but I really don't look at it much. Sorry, didn't mean to confuse you, Ace. There's the volume, but I don't use it. I don't look at it much. I don't have it on a bunch of other charts. I have it for some reason I do have it on the Ultra Bond, and I'm not sure why. Just kind of hanging here, 40.65. It doesn't know where it wants to go or how it wants to get there. I haven't seen Robin yet today, Matt. Not on Discord or in here. She's flown the coop. Maybe now's that down move, Ace. Now there's a break of the 100 EMA, technically a trigger for me. Don't like that though, honestly. Coming right into those bands, so we'll wait. Nice ace, so you got your two. I see. Uh, well, I should have taken the short. Maybe not. Hasn't gone exactly 2 points yet, so maybe not. But depending on where I gotten in, whether it went 2 points or not, you can see there's a tick, a range between those two, the close and the open. It's into the bands. It seems like it wants to push down though. Well, Ace, I hope the market goes to zero so you can get the most out of that short. Of course, that would cause panic in the streets, rioting, and absolute probably world destruction, but you'll profit. There's the bounce. Just 3,000, huh? Nice 1,000 point drop. $50 a point. Yeah, that'd be cool. There we go. Now there's a down, up, down move. I really kind of like this. I like it. I love it. I might want some of it. We're gonna take the short. Come on, write it down. Write it down. It's being stubborn. Got down on that candle to 40.61 3/4. The tick away from my target. Tick, tick, tick. Wants to bounce back up. Only still a point in profit. My target is 2 ticks away. Come on. Back up to 4 ticks. Almost back up to my entry. There it is, back to my entry. Yeah, red candle. Doesn't want to give me those last two ticks. There we go, target hit. Boom, that's a winner. $100, 2 points. Thank you, Dakota, IMAD, JC. So going back to yesterday, I've won 4 trades in a row. You see it's continuing down. Got in there. I did think about getting out once we started having in these bands, but came up a little 2-bar pullback, which we often see. I stayed in. We got this candle here and got out. Now it's continuing to come down. But I'm going to stick to 2-point targets, especially since, Apex has the constantly trailing drawdown. So right now I'm keeping my drawdown as far away as possible by taking those quick targets. This was the actual trigger candle, but I didn't take it until it did this. Often the second run is the better one anyway. And this one actually would not have worked. So actually I gave it its purple too soon. So that one worked. This one actually did not work. But see, we're coming down now. Low of the day, 40.57. We are less than 2 minutes from the top of the hour, less than 32 minutes from the bell. Continuing to grind down here. So Ace, your short signal is definitely good. I think Ace is making breakfast now, though. $16 having another Gettysburg. Oh, yep, see that. So bounce there on 40.58.75. Our low of the session, or low of overnight, or whatever you want to say, was 40.57.25. And you can see we've been in that area several times without being able to break it overnight. We definitely want to watch out for that as we head into the open. Still a very tight range for the day. Only 13 points. Our high was 70, our low was 57. And we're playing within that range. Copper's been coming down. Ultravon made that move for JC. You know, it's kind of being all wishy-washy. Not JC, I apologize. For Dakota, sorry. Yeah. So one of those Android watches or iWatches or whatever you call them. I didn't know you could trade from a watch, RJ. Got up there, possible reversal candle again. Boy, no one liked that joke about the watches. That one totally fell flat. I think I just need to go back to singing. So should I have taken this? We'll see. 40.6175. It will need to get down to 40.5950 for that to have been the winner. So we're G-less today. No G-Man. No Mr. G. Oh, what did crude do at its open? Totally forgot about the energies market. Oh, wow. Let's take a look at that chart quick. Look at that move down. This is crude's open. It dipped 40 ticks, came back up, bouncing, and then this is a 26 tick candle rising up. Making a new high today. And we're coming back up on ES here. So that would not have worked, this bounce. It's now putting in a higher low. Boop, 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 boop. sitting right above the 20. We're sandwiched between the 20 and the 100. Usually just one, I'm at. Yeah, just because, I mean, try not to lose too much at once. My up until this week I've been feeling good, but I was having a pretty good losing streak for a while. I'm finally starting to feel some confidence. So, but for now, I mean, I don't need $1,000 a day right now or whatever. Obviously yesterday if I had done two contracts, I've been up 600, or three contracts, 900. But the bigger amounts I see, the more jumpy I get. So for now, I just need to get the confidence at the one contract, and then we can start sizing up. Or since it's Apex, and get the trade copier and do more than one account, etc. I mean, yeah, eventually would I like to do 10 contracts? Absolutely, but I got to walk before I run. I mean, I dream of the day that having confidence in my strategy and seeing I'm consistent over a period of time where I'm comfortable doing 10 contracts and doing that over 20 Apex accounts. It's equivalent of 200 contracts. Take a 2 point win, that's 40 points each time. But that's down the road. I got to be consistent first. Now, this is another trigger candle down. Let's hit the wrong thing. I don't know. I don't think this one. I didn't take it. You can see, obviously. We'll see what happens. Yeah, RJ. I have often thought it'd be fun to own a minor league baseball team. Oh, well, I should have taken it. It worked. It earned its purple. Thing is, RJ, now minor league baseball is starting to get all corporate too. There's like this company that's bought up like I don't know, like 15 or 20 minor league teams now. No longer like, I mean, some are now owned by the major league teams themselves as well, but a lot of minor league teams used to be more like a independently owned. And now they're getting bought up by like one corporate umbrella. Kind of sucks. Getting down to 40.59. Breaking. Low of day again was 40.57 and it's trying. Yep, 6E falling. Yen's falling. In fact, everything currency is falling. Oh wow. Is that Steve Cohen's hedge fund? Cohen and his endless pockets is disrupting things in Major League Baseball. Oh, I remember that name. Oh, that's Romney's old firm. Right back up here. So again, cannot break low a day. It's tried a few times. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Fact that it's failed. Oh, it's trying. I'm gonna try again here. uh. uh. Bad joke Friday here on MightyOxTrading. We're about 15 minutes away from the bell. So 1 for 1 today so far. Hopefully we'll get more. 4 out of the last 4 trades have been winners. If we go back to yesterday. What's going on with gas and crude? That is a great question. Well, I seen natural gas they're blaming the natural gas's low prices on a very warm winter. I honestly thought with the whole natural gas situation in Ukraine and all that, Russia and all that, natural gas was going to be up to like 10 this winter, and it went the other way. As for crude, I don't know why crude's rising up again. But you know, it played around the 100 EMA on the 1 hour for for a whole day, and now it's rising up. But you can see here we're kind of. Oops, I blew up the wrong chart again. Boop. If you look at crude, we're kind of triple topping right now. We hit 82.30, 82.66 back here on the 18th. Then we hit a high of 82.64 on the 23rd, and now we're hitting 80. We just hit 82.43, 82.48, somewhere around there. So right now we're triple topping. So it'll be interesting to see if we can get above that level. These levels, you know, and they're back here, even back here in early December. This area is very important. You can see that. Boom, boom, boom. 6 different times it's hit this area since it started coming down from the 90s in November. So it's got to break that level before it can head back up. Yeah, a lot of people like trading crude. Me and crude have a love-hate relationship. It bites me a lot. So I've kind of shy. I was playing with it a little bit, which is why it's sitting here next to the ES chart. But I was playing with micro crude. But for now, I'm just focusing on ES. Not right now. Me and NQ, I believe that once I get this system down that I'm using now, I could go back to NQ, and I miss NQ a little bit, but it was just too wild, and I just couldn't get consistency on it, so I downgraded to ES and trying to find the consistency there. Maybe I'll go back to NQ one day, or I mean, if I'm finding success in ES, and maybe there's no reason to. Yeah. Sid says that he thinks if crude and the metals head this upwards rally, then we are in for a major 30% plus pullback in the overall markets by the end of the year. Yeah, I keep waiting for the markets to pull back. I'm surprised we're as high as we are. I thought we would be pulling back. I thought the pullback was starting the other day when we dipped under 4,000, and that we went down like 80 points that day and then rebounded almost all the way back up that same day. So we're 10 minutes from the bell. You see ES trying to pop up a little bit there. Down, up, down, up. and pushing down. The one who knocks, I believe he bought subscribers. He was at 8K uh, about 10 days ago, and now he's at 30K. I believe he bought subscribers. It's my guess. That would needed to be a heck of a shout out because none of his videos have that many views. And they increase. You kept seeing him increase by 200 each hour exactly. UB had a pullback, yeah. Yeah, UB. Look at that. I mean, what's UB? Oh, blew up the wrong chart again. I mean, these candles are like nothing. Like, I mean, they're getting volume, but just can't even call them candles. Yeah, yeah, definitely sus. So we're hanging around 40, 60. Looking for a move up or down. Well, I don't really care which way it goes. I don't know where it's going. With 5 minutes and some odd seconds to the bell. We'll see where we still see where she goes. Where she blows. See, we've been in this range for a while since that pulled down. It's bouncing off this 100 as we head toward the bell. We broke the 100. Technically, that's a trigger candle for me, but I'm not taking it this close to the bell. And the fact that it's above the band down here. Uh, no, not yet. Yeah, the code for NinjaTrader, it plots when news events happen on your chart, so it's right there in front of you. Matt posted a screenshot of what it looks like yesterday. Yeah, I didn't get a link for it yet, Matt. Uh, uh, Chef posted about it being in the the ecosystem or whatever, but I didn't know. I mean, I didn't want to get the wrong things. I mean, didn't even search in the ecosystem. So I still need to actually get the file. It was posted on our back end. If once I get a link, I'll be happy to post it in the Discord. We're 1 minute away from the bell here. Oh, no, there's the bell. Sorry, my clock's a little behind. I need to fix that. I don't know, my clock's falling behind. Anyway, ding, 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 ding. And we're kind of whippy. So hit that EMA and pop back up. Right now, this opening candle has about a 4 point range. Okay, Matt, when you have time, as we move up here, 4066, when you have time, could you post however it works in the Discord in the general area, how people can find it or whatever, so that way we can share it with others as well, and maybe I will understand it too. Just whenever you have time, Matt. And I know you're working as well and probably talking to Bob. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Okay, there we go. That's easy enough. As we're rising up to 40.67. Remember, overnight Globex high was 40.70. Looks like we're trying to challenge that up to 40.68. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Matthew. 40.69. So, cool. Excellent, Matthew. Matt, why am I calling you Matthew all of a sudden? Matt? Pulling back. Whoa, big pullback there. So, pull back, trying to climb back up. Yeah, yeah, it's like me here on stream telling everyone, hey, there's news coming up in 5 minutes. And then in that 5 minutes, totally forgetting and being shocked when a candle pops like 20 points and like, oh yeah, there was news, wasn't there? So, yeah. First up, the 4070, that was high Globex, or within a tick of the high Globex. 4070.25. We just got the 4070. Very choppy. Choppy, 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 choppy. It's still, we're uptrending. Short-term trend, I should say. There we go. Rise back up. Trying to break that 40-70. Can it do it? Can it do it? Can it do it? Boom. New high a day. But quickly lashes back down off of it. And down it comes quick. 3 points down. What a move we see here. Actually, not that impressive, but I'm running out of things to say. Running through the rain. It's actually kind of choppy, just it's a bigger chop. Our ATR is back up to 2.5. Yeah, I mean, it keeps trying to break this 40-70, and so far it has not been able to do it. It's pretty much a failure in life. And a failure. and field goal. Up to 40.71 3/4. There's 40.72 half. Yesterday's high, 40.77. That's something to watch. Little less talk and a lot more action. Now we're still sitting at 40.70. Are we going to rise from here? You see all these. I mean, this is just wiki, wiki, wiki. Oops, sorry. Pushing up, pushing up. Crypticon. You're late this morning. Boom, 40.73 half. Big candle here, 3-point candle up to 74. I should get the trend is your friend t-shirts with the MightyOxTrading logo made up. $40.74.25. Up, CL going down the total. Ooh, CL is flushing hard, as Karib says. Good morning, Karib. Yep. Down to 81.55 after hitting a high of 82.48. It's almost at a full point over the last hour or so. That's quite the move there. How you doing, Crypticon? Why would you have to stop trading, Crypticon? Up to 40.75.25. There's 40.76.75. Within a tick of yesterday's high, there it is, yesterday's high, and above, blew above it, 40.78. So since we opened, we've risen up about 15 points. Although Cryptocurrency might not be a bad idea to stop. What is your daily goal? 40.78.50. Strong rise up. 40.79. The bulls are in charge for now. You made several thousand yesterday, Crypticon. I think you're fine. 40.80. 40.80 pulls back. 40.77. Yeah, I don't have any brokerage account on for stocks at all, but there's a coin. Oh wow, coin is taking off. Why? Any reason coin is taking off? 40.78. Is there any catalyst there, Sid? As we head back up to 40.80. 40.80 breaks. 40.80 half. Bitcoin's taking off too. It's up to 23 again. And there we're still trying to move up here. I mean, I agree kind of, Burrow. I'm a curious sort, you know. It's just, I find the reasons why interesting. I don't necessarily care. I mean, like, it doesn't matter. You're right. It doesn't matter for the price action. But I'm curious. I always want to know why. 40.81.75. So, go to a daily chart here, and you can see we are now higher than we've been since December 14th when we hit 40.90. And of course, the day before was December CPI day when we hit 41.80. Something else I've been studying and looking at is, you noticed how every time this wick down and hit the thing, it bounced, the 20 EMA, it bounced up. Every one of those could have been entries. I need to see how often they work. They didn't change the color of the EMA. They didn't cause it to downslope or whatever. They just touched it. So, and each one obviously, could have been an entry. So I would need to study that as well. See how often that works. What did you say, Burl? I hate retracted messages. It should allow me to see it. Yep. Is this their high? First time we've seen two red candles in a row. 40.82. Let's see if it's a small pullback or if we've hit our high. I mean, it's two red candles in a row, but this is no longer two red candles in a row. So let me shut up. Yep. Trying. Here's another run. Run for the border. Could not get there yet. There it goes again. There it goes. Yep, new high. 40.82 half. Oh, Pamela, thank you. Thank you, thank you. She's right. I totally forgot about that. Michigan, University of Michigan Sentiment Final and U.S. pending home sales coming up in 5 minutes. Thank you very much, Pamela. Yeah, it might be. Borneo. There's a bit of a pullback after it hit 40.82 half. Not much of one. Back down, back. The bulls quickly come back in and push that up. I don't know what it is, but my best and my worst trading days always end with the letter Y. I can hear the collective groan on that one. Yep, pulling back again. Now we have this fight. 40.80 is the fight. I keep making stupid jokes like that and people are going to take their likes away. But I see we got a new subscriber. It doesn't tell me who it is, but welcome. Thank you for joining the herd. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Introduce yourself if you're comfortable doing so. We don't bite. Oh, having electrical problems at home, Chef? You're welcome, JC. Thank Pamela. She reminded me. I would have totally forgot about it too. I need to install that news thingy from Matt that Matt told us about. So we did pull down from 40.82 half down to 40.76, so about 6 points down. Less than a minute away from that news. We'll see what it does to the market. As we're sitting at 40.77, about 5 points away from the high we hit about 5 minutes ago. A lot of fives. Bitcoin pulling down. Ultra Bond's looking a lot like the NQ right now. Similar setups. Ten seconds. Go bounced right there off the EMA. Popped up. Pop up 7 ticks. There we go. That would have been a winner. That would have been a good trigger candle right there. But it did it like right at the end, so it'd been hard to play. Not a big oh, now it just gave it all back. Let's go look at the numbers on the news. We have Michigan, University of Michigan conditions final 68.4. The expected was 68.6, so it was a slight miss. Everything looks like a slight miss. University of Sentiment final 64.9. Expected was 64.6, so that was a beat. U.S. pending home sales 2.5%, and they expected -1%. Again, showing that the market is stronger than the economy is looking stronger than expected. So that news candle ended up being it actually had a 9-point, almost an 8-point range on it, and it is trying to come down though. But nope, here it comes. Here comes a move back up. Strong candle up. Wow. 7-point candle. Technically a trigger candle, but a big trigger. See if I should have taken it. Yep, I should have. Gosh darn it. See, that's me. Not taking things that I should. Ooh, new high of day. 40.84. We can see there was multiple reasons to take that trade. We got below that band on the RSI, and that usually means a bounce, and then just a regular trigger candle. 40.84.25, pushing up. Remember, 40.90 is our next resistance area from all the way back on December 14th. Are we going to hit 40.90? Are we going to hit 4100? These are the questions we ask on MightyOxTrading. The hard-hitting, no-nonsense questions that you expect. I don't know. Sounded good coming out of my brain. Kind of riding that top band right now. Another run up, got knocked down at 40, 80, 40, 85, 25. Yep, new high again by 2 ticks. Kind of consolidating. Is this bull flag, or are we gonna head on down the road? $40.86. It's hanging so close to that band that it's almost like it's restrained because of that. Normally, you see, like this uptrend here, you saw it kind of bouncing between the 20 and the bands. Whereas here, just hugging that band. And, I mean, we can all use more hugs, but in this case, things might be getting inappropriately close. 40.89, 75. There's 40.90. Break of 40.90. So now we're higher than at any point we've been since the CPI candle on the 13th of December when we hit 41.80 and a quick burst up right after the CPI news. I mean, it didn't hold that at long at all. I remember it. It was like up that high for like 2.5 seconds. Chef, is definitely good that you're not home because any short right now would have really been a bad thing. How high will she go? Will we see 4,100 today? When will this peter out? Well, yeah, that's a good point. Okay, I apologize, Chef. You're right. By the way, are you able to listen to me at work? Is that where you're at? Or 4092? We're just continuing to sail the ocean blue. 4093. Hey, Hassan. Never what? It's good to see you, Hassan. Awesome. Hello, everybody, if there's anybody else listening. So Hassan just called an all-time high. Right there, that kind of looks like a reversal candle. We shall see. Obviously, I don't play, well, every now and then I play reversal, and usually it doesn't work out well. But 40.93. A little bit of a red pullback. For those of you guys joining, appreciate you being here. Would appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. Let the channel, let YouTube know you like the channel, like the info, like the stream. But to hear that glitch, green is good. Uh, it's anonymous Crypticon. I have no idea. If someone hits thumbs down, or thumbs up, I have no idea who did it. And you can always take the thumbs down back by hitting it again. Yep. Another new high there, 40.73.75. And no, I would never ban someone for that anyway. Can it take us higher? Kind of I want to send a short order at 4,100 and see if it gets there. So we might have reached a high here. We'll see. 40.93.75. Pulled back by about 5 points. Might be losing steam. Got up here, pulled back. Got up there, quickly pulled back. Okay. I think 2 of you just hit the like button again that already hit it because the likes went from 26 to 24. So I think you just took your thumbs up away. Or you decided you don't like me anymore. They were sitting at 40.88. I would really like another trade. Obviously, I got one good trade. I'm 1 for 1, 4 out of my last 4. But there hasn't been a lot of opportunity this morning. I guess this one here actually would have been a trigger, but you know, I mean, there's obviously a lot of. I shouldn't say there was eight good setups, two bad ones. So obviously I could have gotten more. I was stupid again. I gotta get better at not taking trades on a news candle, but afterwards. Because obviously that was a good one right there. Down to 40.88. Does it want to bounce here? Market's taking a little breath. Kind of watching. Let's check out crude. Did crude continue its free fall? No, crude bounced. Got about half of the free fall back, it looks like, or even more than half. Back above 82. Sideways copper, ultra bond, kind of sideways. Sid pointed out stock, Coinbase. It's kind of gone sideways. What's gold doing? Gold. Ooh, gold really dipped. Dip, 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 dip. And we're coming down to our 20 EMA. Don't know yet. Borneo. I know we're seeing this pullback. It's about a 6-point pullback from the high. See if it bounces off the EMA. Our ATR right now is over 3, which means I should, if I enter any orders, I should actually go to a 3-point stop, 3-point target. Let's see what happens. So we're dipping. Well, did not stay below the 20, so we're just kind of sitting here. Sitting on the EMA. And dipping again. About 40 minutes to go on the stream for the week. Yeah, there's a break. So from the top, now we've come back down about 9 points. 10 points. Strong move here. Down to 40.80. So now we've dropped almost 14 points from the highs. And falling fast. Falling fast. Down to 40.80. Grinding around those bands. Little down, up, down move there. Yeah, I was thinking that as well as I don't know. Easy for me to say. I was thinking that as well, Ahmed. As we say that, it pops back up a little bit. Fickle market. Oh yeah. And it is. There it goes. It's hit that 40.79 one, two, three times now. It needs to bust through there. And it does. Yep, I've been considering it. But it's not really part of my plan. Still hanging at 40.79. It kind of whipped back up there. $40.80. Oh, sitting now 40.82. Kind of in a two for a little range here for the last 7-8 minutes. Trying to get back up to sniff that EMA. Apparently it smells like roses. Popping up, turning the EMA white. Back up to 40.84. Coming right back down. We'll see where this goes. Okay, 140. Am I missing something there, Chef? What asset is for 140? Oh, NQ. Okay, that makes more sense. I see it. Okay. Okay. I think you're reading that contract 100% wrong, Crypticon, because I've never heard of anyone trading like you do on a TA account. But that said, if it's helped your discipline, that is a good thing. It's dancing on the EMA here at 40.85. It's a tiny dancer. A dancer for money. Any old moving average will do. No, but I have not. But that said, I know multiple people that have. And you did 7,500 yesterday, so have you the consistency rule will be totally out the window from yesterday. There we go. That's a. This is actually a trigger candle up, but I'm not like trusting up right now. And now we have it back coming back down, which is technically against my trading plan, but I almost feel like it's the right move. I'm in short. I hate trying to find my frickin' software. I got in late, but oh, target hit. There we go. Boom. So there you can see entry was 40.81 quarter, out was 40.79 quarter for another $100. And it lasted like 20 seconds while I found my software. So I've now won my last 5 trades. 3 yesterday, 2 today. We're up $200 today, $500 in the last 2 days. I just feel like all of a sudden I'm reading the market better. And you can see obviously as a bigger candle, I could have got more out of it again, but I'm happy taking these little bites. Crypticon, I really do believe you're being. I mean, first of all, again, if it's helping your discipline, that's great. I just think you're being too restrictive with it. You think you're worrying too much about it. Just my opinion. That said, there's nothing wrong with earning. I mean, a couple $100 a day, you know, to start off with, or whatever. Anyways, it bounced right back up here. I never even. This is the way I look at things, or I started looking at things. Now, even though that the 100 EMA was still down here, kind of saying you should take long, we established a short-term move down, and this was actually counter short-term trend. So once it established that down, I didn't want to take that long. I was waiting for it to go short, and I actually hesitated. I hesitated too much. It was already bursting down when I jumped in. But that's why I took that short, even though we were price action was above the 100 EMA. You see it just touched that EMA again and burst down. The EMA is sitting at 4082.75. It would have given another 2 points just by resting an order on that EMA, but I don't rest orders like that. Yeah, Avi, I am. I won't argue with you about it with you anymore, Crypticon. You do you. And I'm not. And again, I wasn't saying you should use max contracts. I was just saying you don't need to be trading one micro for $20 either. There's a happy medium in there. Right back up. Back up to the EMA. Now we're bouncing down off that EMA again, but we'll see what happens. Not taking this, but I'm thinking this is going to be another short that will win. We'll see. I'm not 100% confident, so we'll see where it goes. Well, yippers, it would have worked. Say our short would have been at this level instead of that. I think it would have worked. Yeah, it would have worked. Technically, I wasn't a trigger candle, so I shouldn't have marked it. It was, but it wasn't. Not with my normal trading plan. So I guess maybe I shouldn't mark that, but my rules, I'll mark it. 20 minutes to go in the stream. Do want to thank everyone for being here today. Appreciate it. Remember on Mondays we do 2 streams. We do the normal morning stream, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Then we do an evening stream for Asia, 7:45 p.m. Eastern Time. So I hope you'll be able to join me for one or both of those. Asia streams have kind of sucked lately. It's been hard to get anything out of the market. We'll see if anything moves Monday night. And we're popping right back up. So it gave us that 2, but that's it. Oh, bouncing down. Let's see if that. Well, yep, it already did. So look at that. Again, this big wick, small body, and right down would have also given us another 2 points. So both of these big wicks, small bodies or no body there, would have given us wins. But that, like I said about that earlier, wanting to watch that type of thing. I said here, each one of these touches could have been entries that would have been winners. So I definitely want to start looking at that as well. Even back here, this chop, but like right here, came back down through, and this one would have been, wouldn't have won 2 points. But well, actually, it would have, because if you look here, let's say I'd taken this right here, boom. Never mind. No, it would not have. Never mind. So that would have been a loser. But I'm looking for more for like this type of thing. That was the open anyway. Back down, we're getting close to that 100 EMA. And theoretically, the 100 EMA, if it breaks, is also considered a trigger candle for me. Not there yet. They're just trying to. The 100 EMA is at 40.77. There's the break. Arch trying to. Ooh, there's a definite break. We're retreating. News candle over here spiked down to 40.71. Yep, there's a. It's moving. It's gathered momentum. But it's hitting bands. So that's a little bit of a hitting band there, band there. We're probably gonna bounce back up on this next candle. All right, Glitch. Glad you're ending green. Good discipline to stop. Oh, still bursting down here. Down to that 40.71 and below. Whoa, big burst down. 40.68. So we've now come down 25 points from the top. About 35 minutes. So I did not take it, but this was a trigger candle. Breaking of the 100. Strong break of the 100. And it would have worked. There I had indicators going against me. I knew that the Bollingers were breaking. I knew the band was breaking down here, so I did not take it. It would have worked, but you see it's bouncing quick. 68 back up to 72. G-Man would have taken that trade for the reversal for 5 points. He probably would have got in about 69. He'd been looking for 74, I think. Still pushing down. Yeah, it is a little quiet. 40.69. You're predicting it's going to get down to 40.52, RJ? Have a great day, JC. Or have a great weekend. See you Monday. This is the time to sing, you say? Not seeing anything to sing about. Yeah, I remember that, RJ. You and Chef. Mm-hmm. 40.70. We're watching it continue to try and drop down to 40.67. Continuing to grind down 40.66, 65. Trying to get down to RJ's 57.52. So that break of the 100 was perfect. I doubted it. Why did I doubt it? Because we were below the Bollinger Bands there. We were inside bands here. It just kind of, and it was a big candle, so it kind of screamed that it would bounce a little bit, and it just didn't. Down to 63, so just a free fall now. Free falling So will we go from a trend day up to a trend day down? Will we fall all afternoon? Maybe. Maybe. Chef, I apologize. You were right. So, yeah, anyway, Chef, where's NQ at? NQ is at 12,104. Yeah, it broke 12,100, popped back up some, but it's just around 12,100. Oh yeah, it broke 140 quite a while ago. Broke 140 10 minutes ago. Yeah, at 60, kind of hemming and hauling here at 65. Up, pop up, back up to 68. So got down to 63 and popped up to 69. Nice, RJ. Where, if you're willing to share, where was your entry? You're not willing to share. That's cool. Ace never came back to us today. Hope there wasn't a breakfast disaster. Back up to 70. Seeing a bearish candle. Trying to pop back down. Nice. Very nice. Have a great weekend, Crypticon. We'll see you Monday. Okay. I mean, yeah, a ballpark figure is fine. Wasn't expect didn't want you to have to like show us each contract. Just curious of your, approximates. See you on Monday, busy. Have a great weekend. We're kind of hemming and hawing around 68 now. So I ended up with only two trades today, but they were both winners. Last 2 days, 5 out of 5 for $500. Up about $322 on this account because I did take the first day I traded this account. I did take 2 losses for 150 bucks. So good start to this account. Need a $3,000 profit, so I'm about 10% of the way there, a little more than 10%. False start on the ES. 5-point penalty. Repeat the entry. So we're going to call it here for today. Good week here, guys. Let's have another good week next week. Reminder, back 2 streams on Monday. 7:30 in the morning, 7:45 in the evening. I hope everybody has a great weekend. And we shall see you back here then. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.